Dear student, in today's video, we will going to solve question number 2 of exercise 7.3. The question is, for what value of k the following points are collinear? Points are given 7 minus 2, 5, 1 and 3k. So, before starting the solution of this question, let us come to the formula of area of a triangle whose vertices are given. Suppose we are having a triangle this A, B, C. The coordinates are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So let us find out how we will find the area of this triangle whose vertices are given. So here the area is equals to half. Then we will take the first point, and from first point we will take x1 and move towards the next 2 points, and from there we will take y, and this will be done in a order. So here the order will be cyclic order like this. So from first point we will take x1, and from next 2 points we will take y. So y2 minus, and subtract it, y2 minus y3. Then plus from second point we will take x2 and again move towards next 2 points, and from there we will select y. So x2, next y3 minus y1, again plus x3, moving in the same order, and from next 2 point we will select y. So y1 minus y2. So this is the area of the triangle. Now what is the collinearity and what will be condition for it? Collinearity means when the 3 points comes in a straight line. Here we are having 3 points A, B, C. If they are coming in a straight line, we will say that the 3 points are collinear. So what is the condition for collinearity? So for this, just come to this figure. Suppose we are having this triangle ABC. At present, the area of the triangle ABC is this whole. Now suppose A is free to move towards BC, and it is moving like this. So after some times A reaches here at this point, and the area of triangle is reduced by some amount, and we will get this area. Initially the area is this one, but when A reaches at this point, the area is reduced. Again A will reaches here, and area is again reduced by some amount, and finally when A reaches to at this line BC, the area becomes 0. Means when the 3 points are collinear, the area of the triangle will be 0. So this trick will be used here. This method will be used here to find the value of k. So here we are given 7 minus 2, 5, 1, 3k, and it is saying that these 3 points are collinear, and we will have to find the value of k for which these 3 points are collinear. So we will find out the area of triangle formed by these 3 points. So half, from first point we are taking out 7, and from next 2 points we will take y, that is 1, and here k, 1 minus k, then 5, next x, and from other 2 points, since we are taking in this order, so other 2 points it will come out, will take y, it will come out k and minus 2. So k minus 2, 5, then k minus 2, plus 3 here, and from next 2 points we will find y. So minus 2 minus 1, 3 into minus 2 minus 1, and that is equals to 0 because the points are collinear. Now 1 by 2 into this is equals to 0. This implies this whole will be 0. 7 1 minus k plus 5 k plus 2 plus 3 minus into minus 3 is equals to 0, and it is 7 1 minus k plus 5 k minus 2, 3 into minus 3, that is minus 9, is equals to 0. Expanding this, 7 minus 7k plus 5k plus 10 minus 9 is equals to 0. Minus 7k plus 5k, that is minus 2k, and 10 minus 9 1, 1 plus 7 8 is equals to 0, 2k is equals to 8, k is equals to 4. So the value of k is found to be 4. So these 3 points will be collinear only if k is equal to 4. So this is the solution of question number 2 of exercise 7.3.